If your shoe care drawer is cluttered, start here. The main picks are Fiebing's, Renovateur, Pommadier, Lincoln, and Pate de Luxe. Add Nordstrom Cedar Trees, the Kirby Allison brush, and Kiwi applicators for shape, buffing, and clean application. Build around shape, brushing, application, cleaning, conditioning, color, and shine. For daily shape care, add the Nordstrom Cedar Shoe Tree. It supports leather dress shoes between wears without making upkeep complicated. Buy it if you want an easy habit after each wear. Take shoes off, insert trees, and move on. The catch is fit and quantity. You need one pair per shoe pair you care about. Skip it if sizing feels uncertain or closet space is already tight. For the main brush, use the Kirby Allison Medium Horsehair Shoe Polishing Brush. Buy it if you brush and buff shoes often. It feels like a durable workhorse, not a flimsy kid extra. The dense bristles make dusting and buffing faster. The catch is cost and size. Skip it if you want the cheapest brush or prefer a smaller handle. For applying cleaner or polish, keep the Kiwi Horsehair Polish Applicator handy. Buy it if you want cheap, practical daubers for separate colors. That helps avoid muddying brown, black, and neutral products together. The catch is quantity. You will likely want multiples. Skip it if you prefer cloth application only. For the cleaning step, choose Fiebing Saddle Soap. Buy it when brushing and a damp wipe are not enough. It is best for surface grime or old polish blocking the next step. The benefit is value. It handles normal buildup before you condition or polish. The catch is effort. You need water, lather, wiping, and conditioner afterward. Skip it for new shoes, lightly dusty pairs, or leather requiring a specialty cleaner. For conditioning nicer shoes, Saphir Renovateur is the move. Buy it if you want a premium conditioner used in tiny amounts. It spreads easily and leaves leather ready for polish. That suits shoes you care about, not beaters you barely maintain. The catch is the jar and price. The wide opening makes overuse easy. Skip it if you need the cheapest conditioner or must repair deep cracking. When leather looks faded, go Saphir Medaille or Pommadier Natural Cream Leather Shoe Polish. Buy it after cleaning and conditioning when the shoe needs richer tone. It gives a softer, more natural finish than a shine-only shortcut. The trade-off is control. It is richer than basic creams, so apply evenly and buff residue well. Skip it if you want beginner simple polish or a glassy dress shoe finish. For a sharper shine, Lincoln Stain Wax Shoe Polish is the classic pick. Buy it for dress shoes needing a glossier, more formal finish. It fits work, events, and moments where dull shoes look careless. The benefit is reflectiveness. Wax gives a polished surface that cream will not match. But wax is surface work, not nourishment. Dirt underneath can get trapped. Skip it if you prefer softness or have not cleaned first. For refined, everyday polish, choose Saphir Pate de Luxe. Buy it when you want a durable wax finish that still looks understated. It suits nicer leather shoes needing luster between touch-ups. It is not just about the brightest possible toe. The catch is value. It costs more than common waxes, and the shine is intentionally restrained. Skip it if you want the cheapest mirror shine or still need cleaning first. Quick split: Nordstrom for shape, Kirby Allison for buffing, and Kiwi for application. Fiebing's cleans grime. Renovateur conditions nicer leather. Pommadier refreshes faded color. Lincoln adds gloss. Pate de Luxe gives restrained, longer-lasting luster. Before buying, check leather type, storage space, and polishing frequency. Clean before wax. Condition before color or shine. Use separate applicators for colors. Thin layers beat greasy overload. Start with Fiebing's if the shoes are dirty. Switch to Renovateur for dry, nicer leather, Pommadier for faded color, Lincoln for gloss, or Pate de Luxe for restrained luster. Then add trees, the brush, and applicators as needed. Squared away. Bye-bye the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.